guys, we're back another day. The day after the Cummins installation got done, I'm going to give you guys what you all, half of y'all been asking for in the last video. I'm going to give you guys a startup exhaust sound, and then we're going to go and do a little driving, and so y'all can hear and see what it's like driving in the Cummins real quick off the bat. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. If you guys like this video, please smash that thumbs up, because you know how much it helps the channel. And if you're already watching this, you might as well just subscribe to the channel, because I'm telling you right now, you're gonna fall in love with what you watch on this channel. Okay, we have a good time here. I try to keep it entertaining. I try to keep a lot of stuff going on the channel. So please, if you like this video, hit that, smash that thumbs up. Once again, my name is Cameron. We installed a S467 yesterday on the Cummins and finished it up. A lot of you guys love that video, and if you haven't seen that video, something's wrong right now. It's an awesome video. I got so much good love from it. Thumbs up, everything. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support and you guys enjoying that video. I'm going to keep it going, and we're going to go ahead and knock this out. Now, we're working against daylight, so I'm going to be talking fast, moving quick, showing you guys stuff, let you hear it, and we're going to hit the road. I already got my GoPro set up over here. I got the GoPro set up, so you guys are going to be right next to the turbo and the exhaust, because the exhaust is right here right now. I ordered a coupler for it. It should be in by Wednesday or Thursday. It's dark in here, so you can barely see it, but you can see that fat gold turbo right there. That is the Smedin Diesel S467 turbo I went with. And let me give you guys a startup of what she sounds like. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. Letting y'all get that here, let y'all get a better chance to be able to hear her today. She sounds amazing going down the road. We got the GoPro set up. We're about to get in the truck, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the road, man. Let's get it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do a drive-by or drive-in right now. It is getting dark. I got my last fit LED bulbs in. One of you guys commented saying you should get, let me see if this helps out. One of you guys commented saying I should get LED interior bulbs. I do have LED interior bulbs, except in the back I don't, because last fit only sent me 2, so I'm probably gonna buy another 3 more for back there. Yeah, but absolutely. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, enjoy the show, you guys. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget, hit that like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. On a side note, you guys, make sure this is going to be an upcoming video. Yeah, check that out. I'll say turn the lights off. That is yes, that is correct. You are looking at the front of my garage through my rear view mirror. And then check this out. You guys ready for this? This is so awesome. Check that out, right? You can do front, and you can do back. You can record like it is right now, and you can take a picture of when you're driving. And if you don't want to see this, you can do this, and it tells you your miles per hour and your GPS location. As you can see here, it says east, and look at that. Oh wait, no, wrong one. And look at that, we're going east. Okay, today's time, that's standard time. Okay, that's just a little sample coming up in the near future. All right, you guys, enjoy the video. Also, one more thing I know, like, I'm almost done. That is also another review in the making. I can't even reach it, so stand by. So as you guys can see, low end, this really, at low end, man, she doesn't get it. She really doesn't. She don't get it at low end, but right around, I'm telling you, man, maybe I want to say second to third gear, when she hits, I'm talking, it shoots up to 40 so fast. And this is stock injectors, man. I have a couple things I'm gonna do that I think is gonna help a little bit more in terms of getting the boost to the actual engine. So from the hot side pipe is a 3.5 inch pipe. I'm gonna put the 3-inch pipe provided with me by MDC Diesel. I'm gonna put that 3-inch pipe in, and hopefully that'll help charge some of that air a little harder into the intercooler. They were saying with the bigger intercoolers, with the bigger turbos, the bigger intercoolers usually kind of bog it down a little bit, which is clear as day with this. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully that helps out with the boost. You know, a slight increase in low side boost. So hopefully we get that okay. But I'm definitely looking forward to experimenting some more. Let me get the camera rolling on the GoPro. All right, here we go, rolling. She is not afraid to get it. Woo! And for those of y'all wondering, I know sometimes don't worry, head studs are coming very, very soon, and I haven't even hit over 40 PSI. These stocks non-studded is usually good about 45, 50, 55-ish PSI until you have to start worrying about blowing the head gasket. As soon as the game plan is sell that turbo ASAP. With the money we get from the turbo, we're gonna use that, slam that towards ARP studs ASAP, okay? So that is the plan for it. I just wanted you guys to know what's up, okay? So as you guys can tell, she can get it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those GoPro shots, man, but they definitely, man, them headlights look good, man. God damn, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Got the sticker. We repping it. I just got to get that exhaust hooked up, man. And I'm telling you guys, man, I've been watching, man. I've been watching my coolant, my oil, man. I'm watching everything, man, because I don't want nothing bad to happen. But I'm just so excited. And I am gonna do. Somebody commented in. Thank you. I am gonna do a torque check on the manifold bolt. I'm probably, when we get back to the house, I'm gonna check the torque on the band clamps, holding the compressor housing and the turbine housing. I'm checking everything, man, because the last thing I want happening is something falling apart, loosening, and everything just goes to shit, especially on this brand new turbo. I would be devastated. So absolutely, man. We're gonna go ahead and take it back to the house. I'll get you guys a couple more driving clips with the GoPro, and we're gonna fucking roll out, man. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end this video out. But before I even do that, you know, my initial expectations or my initial results or experience with the truck and the turbo. First things off the bat, I did lose a lot. Now, I'm not gonna say a lot. I did lose some bottom end. You know, that 0 to 30, she's gone. More fuels needed, so injectors are definitely a thing in the near future. But from 31 to 60, 70 miles an hour, that thing hits. It hits and you can feel it. I'm talking when I'm from zero to 30. If I'm just give it like a quarter throttle just to kind of get it rolling, she'll hit 10 psi like that. After that, she'll go. I'm cruising. Once it hits 10 psi, it'll drop back down to maybe like 6-ish, and I'm bouncing off of my glow shift gauge and my mini max. Okay, because one pulls it from the intake manifold, the other one pulls it from the, I think it's like mass airflow sensor or something. One of those sensors on the intake is pulling it from there. So once I'm cruising, or once I hit that 35-ish miles per hour range, I punch it. And when I say punch it, I mean I'm talking like maybe half throttle, and it sucks that air in, and then it jumps from like 15, 12 psi to 40 or 35 so quick. It's lightning. It just makes me wonder, like, add some injectors, a CP3, which I don't plan on doing, but if it needs it, then it has to get done. But injectors alone. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I was driving on Tune 5 just then. I don't know. You guys, let me know how you feel about this. But in my mind, I feel like by riding on Tune 5, yes, it's more power. Yes, it's putting more fuel in. But by giving it more fuel, it's going to run better because I have so much more air going into the engine now. Let me know how you feel, because when I ride on Tune 5, it's pretty cool. I love it. When I'm riding on Tune 2 and 3, which I was doing all day today because I was unsure, just kind of filling out every tune, playing it safe. It was very, very luggy and just very, you can tell it was starving. I'm starving it of fuel. So injectors are definitely in the future. Matter of fact, let me show y'all something. Okay. You guys have probably never seen this, majority of you, because you guys are very new to the channel. I want to say last year, April, May-ish, I got injectors for this truck that have yet to still be put on. It is a long story why I didn't. Long story short, I need to send them out to get tested to verify what type of injectors they were said to be, okay? I was told these were 90 horse injectors, which is, I think, roughly equivalent to 30 over. And ever since then, they have been just sitting here. So, I mean, look at this. We have injectors here. So for everybody who wants to say, and I mean, this shit looks brand new here. Everybody who wants to say, you need to get injectors. Here you go. These are them. This is the first time I'm exposing these to you guys in a long time. My OG subscribers, you guys remember these. But my new bubbles, all you cats and other stuff out there, y'all probably don't recognize these, but these are going to go in the comments eventually. You know what I'm saying? So I have a shop that said they would test them for me for 125, 125 for all 6, which is a good deal. Since I haven't been using them, I just put a little motor oil in there. You could use pet petroleum too, is good. Vaseline. I've coated them in motor oil, and they've just been sitting in a box I have just chilling there, okay? So this is it, you know what I'm saying? We have injectors, so don't worry, in due time. Yep, so in this cabinet here, I just got a box of them just chilling in there. I figured I'd show you guys that. It's been long overdue, man. So I got to clean up the garage. She got trashed when we did this second gen swap, so I'm recovering from that. We got to get this looking good. Thank you. I can't think of your name. Thank you for the one who told me I can use my stock airbox. Did not know that, and I saw how you did it, and it's very cool. So that's definitely gonna be, I'm gonna think about that. But definitely thank you for that. Also, once again, for anybody who wants it, before I put this on Facebook Marketplace, I am going to be selling the stock turbo manifold too. I don't know if I'll sell them together, separate, I don't know. Probably together. Perfectly fine HE351 turbo. 160,000 miles on it roughly. No turbo shaft play. I've run synthetic oil since I've owned the truck. Hams oil. Even before Hams oil was Rotella T6. So, I take care of my trucks. I mean, you guys see, I got a 0867 Cummins with a stock tranny, original engine, all that. So I take care of my girls. So yeah, you guys, so that's my experience with this. I'm really digging it. I'm really liking it. But with great power comes great responsibility. Part of being a good owner is knowing that you need to take care of the safety mods too. So injectors, everybody wondering out there, I'm laying it down right now. Head studs is going to be the next hard mod I do to the truck. When I say hard mod, I'm talking engines. No injectors will go in. No more, no crazy whatever else can be done. Tune 6.99, what if that's a thing. Nothing is getting done until head studs are put onto that engine. And then after that, it's going to be transmission. Okay, as you guys know, I'm going to do a deep dish pan, heavy duty accumulator plate, BD protect plate. That way I'll be able to bump my line pressure up in the transmission up to 225, 250-ish. I don't remember on the Mini Max. So we have a lot of stuff. And then injectors are going to come. So we have a lot of stuff going on with the channel. I hope you guys are subscribed, staying tuned, and enjoying everything. It was a blast filming. It was a blast driving that truck. I'm not, whatever, I don't care. You guys talk shit. My son was in the back and he was having a blast. So definitely, just a good time, man. Good time. So once again, thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. I love you all. Have a safe week. Be safe. I'll see y'all real soon. If not this weekend, this week sometime. And y'all take it easy. Be safe. Peace out.